Apexel sent this telephoto lens for our review for phones. This will work on 98% of the phones out there in the world. That's what they're claiming. And it was so easy to actually set up on the phone itself. It is quite tricky, and I'll show you exactly what it actually is supposed to do. So I'm not going to touch it, because if you touch it, you're at a 60X telephoto zoom right now. So I am zoomed up all the way down the hill, really, really far. It's actually super impressive how clear and how beautiful that lens is. And of course, as you can see right now, it's sitting on a table. It is vibrating just a little bit because of the wind. So you have to be careful. You have to kind of like set it up properly. But if you were indoors through a window, it would work flawlessly. If you're bird watching, for example, it'd be fantastic. This lens itself, and I'm going to start moving it right now so you guys can see how huge that is. The lens has 10 elements. So you've got 10 different elements to make this super, super, super crisp, which is important when you're zooming 60X. You want to keep that detail. You want to keep that sharpness, right? And I love the fact that they didn't, I mean, all of this is included, by the way, except for the phone. Everything is included in the package. The tripod, yes, is included. And I love the fact that they actually are setting up the tripod on the lens and not on the phone. Why is that important? Well, because if it was on the phone, the lens would be so top heavy that it would probably fall on the floor. Now, because the lens is the main component, that's what the tripod is set up on. And how do you set it up? Super simple. Phone goes right here. So you've got that adapter that you twist on that little bracket right there. And that's the adapter right here. And that's where that lens, you're going to choose the lens that you want. Typically, you will be choosing that 1X lens on your phone. If you've got only one lens, pretty easy. If you've got 3, 4, 5 different lenses, make sure you're on that number 1, the ×1, so you have the best optical view possible. And then check this out. This is how you set it up on the actual tripod. I'm gonna just twist it off just like that. And look at that, tripod in. This is the bracket that's important. This is the bracket here that is held onto the tripod, that actually attaches to the tripod. And then this thing is quite hefty if you ask me. Look at that lens in here. I don't know if you can actually see, but that glass is thick and it's powerful, clearly. And I love the fact that when you're not using it, they do provide you with the cap for the small opening, and of course, the cap for the main lens right here. So you can actually just like put it right here. Check this out. Even has a really nice neoprene case. So you can carry it around if you are, as I said, bird watching. You can bring this hiking with you. Super easy to actually have it in your bag or outside of your bag, provided you attach it and clip it with the carabiner included right here. And really easy to put that tripod in the bag that they do provide as well. They even give you a little trigger, wireless trigger, because it is important to understand you do want to be using that wireless trigger if you're not doing video. If you're doing video, perfect, no problem. You're not touching the camera. You don't want to be touching that trigger on your phone because it's going to move about at 60X. It's going to be terrible. That's why they provide you with this trigger. It's going to be very easy to do it hands-free. Good to go. Everything is included in this package. Everything is fitted right here in this package here by Apexel. It's actually a really nice, very clear image that they can provide.